You're posting every day. You're staying consistent. You're giving value as everyone told you to, but you're still not getting clients. And if you're honest, it's starting to feel personal. Like maybe you're not good enough. Maybe you're not cut out for this. I want you to know you're not the problem. It's your content, or more specifically, it's how your content is positioned. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly why your content isn't converting into clients and give you 3 things you can fix this week to start booking calls and making sales without changing your niche, starting from scratch or burning yourself out. I'm Thom Bouman, art director and brand strategist. For the past 3 decades, I've helped small businesses, and especially solo entrepreneurs like coaches, consultants, designers, artists, and freelancers, clarify their message, position their brand, and turn what they know into a business that consistently books premium clients. So today, I'm sharing what actually works, the same strategies I use to help solo coaches attract the right clients and build a brand that does the heavy lifting for them. Why coaches don't get clients from content and how to fix it fast. The real reason coaches get ignored online. Let's get real. You're not getting clients because your content isn't actually talking to your ideal client. It's probably too general. It's too focused on helpful tips and not focused enough on what your audience is really thinking about when they're scrolling. Their problem, their pain, and what will help them feel like they're finally moving forward. You're educating, but you're not activating. Let me explain. 3 reasons your content isn't converting. Reason number 1, your messaging is too vague. You're trying to talk to everyone, but if nobody sees themselves in your post, they scroll. Clarity beats creativity every time. You need to be able to say, I help this specific person solve this specific problem and get this specific result. Here's an example. I help people find balance in life is vague, but I help overworked solo hairdressers reclaim 10 hours a week without dropping clients or income. That hits. Reason number 2, you're too helpful, and not in a good way. Most coaches are stuck in teacher mode. Tips, tricks, value, value, value. But here's the truth. Tips don't sell. People don't want more tips. They want transformation. They want to see you understand their pain and that you can guide them to a better result. You have to shift from teaching to triggering demand. Reason number 3, you have no clear call to action. Even if someone loves your content, if you don't show them the next step, they'll just keep scrolling. Your offer has to be obvious. If you want them to book a call and say it, if you want them to comment fix to get your free guide, tell them. Confused people don't buy. Clear people do. 3 fixes to make this week. Fix number 1, clarify your one-liner. This is the one sentence that explains exactly what you do and who you help. The formula, I help audience go from pain to result without frustration. Example, I help busy parents go from chaotic eating habits to simple, sustainable health without hours of meal prep. Write one and use it in your bio, your posts, your videos. Make it your brand. Fix number 2, shift from tips to transformation. Every piece of content should make someone feel seen, understood, and hopeful. Instead of saying, here's how to be more productive, say, here's how I helped a burned out entrepreneur reclaim 12 hours a week by restructuring her offer and removing 3 unnecessary tasks. Post formats to try this week. Pain-driven story with a lesson. Client win post or your own story. Soft call to action post with a free next step. Fix number 3, use a simple, clear call to action. Tell people what to do. Give them one next step. No confusion. Examples. Want my exact script? Comment script below and I'll send it to you. Want help clarifying your content? Book a free 15-minute audit, link in bio. That's it. Simple, obvious, easy to say yes to. Messaging makeover example. Here's an example of content that won't convert. Stop procrastinating and take action. Now here's one that will. Still feeling unfulfilled, even though on paper, your life looks fine. Here's the process I use to help clients find direction and build a life that actually feels meaningful. See the difference? One is just advice. The other speaks to what they're really feeling, shows the shift they want, and gives them a reason to take the next step. Common pitfalls to avoid. Before we wrap up, let's talk about the traps most coaches fall into, even the smart, hardworking ones. Pitfall number 1, posting just to check a box. You're showing up, but there's no strategy, no intention. You're hoping consistency alone will convert. But if the message isn't right, it doesn't matter how often you post. Consistency matters, yes, but clarity converts. Pitfall number 2, switching your niche or offer every other week. One week you're helping creatives. Next week you're helping business owners. Then you're back to mindset coaching. Your audience is confused. and confused people don't click, your message needs time to bake. Pick a lane and stay in it long enough for people to associate you with the solution they want. Pitfall number 3, hiding behind information. Giving out tips and tricks is comfortable because it keeps you from having to sell. But tips don't build trust. Transformation does. You need content that shows people what life looks like on the other side of the problem and why you are the person who can get them there. Pitfall number 4, no clear destination. You're creating content, but there's no next step. Your CTA is either vague, inconsistent, or just missing. You need one clear bridge between your free content and your paid work. If people don't know what to do after reading your post, they'll do nothing. Let's zoom out for a second. You're not here because you don't work hard. You're here because your message isn't doing the heavy lifting. Your content is like a bridge, and right now yours might not be reaching the other side. But with a few smart changes this week, a clearer one-liner, transformation-based content, and a simple CTA, you can build a brand that books clients without begging for attention. Go get seen. Go get paid. You've got this. If you're ready to go deeper, I've created a simple, practical system to help solo coaches like you build a brand that truly attracts clients without hiring an expensive agency or overthinking every detail. For a small investment, you'll get the exact guide designed to help solo coaches and service providers reposition their brand in just 1 week. It's called the 7-Day Branding Shortcut, and you can find it through the link in the description. Inside, you'll learn how to find your voice, refine your message, and create visuals that feel aligned with who you are. It's short, it's practical, and it works. Without breaking the bank, you'll walk away with a brand that feels like you and books premium clients consistently. Check out the link, grab your copy, and start shifting the way people see you, starting today. The 7-Day Branding Shortcut. Inside, you'll learn how to find your voice, refine your message, and create visuals that feel aligned with who you are. If this video helped, hit like so more coaches see it. Subscribe for more weekly brand lessons, and let me know in the comments, what's the hardest part of branding your coaching business right now? Branding is a journey, and I'm excited to help you build one that truly connects. Let's get started. Branding is a journey, and I'm excited to help you build one that truly connects. Let's get started.